More than 2 billion users worldwide are now at risk of having their sensitive data stolen by attackers because of a high-impact security flaw that affected Chrome and other browsers based on Chromium. A bug that has already been fixed in the Google browser requires users to pay attention to the application of fixes to other commercially available solutions as well. The issue is with how the program handles dynamic links that point to directories or files. Originally, this resource was used to allow access to data through a browser, but there was no due diligence done in regards to the fact that the path indicated by the symlink was not actually accessible, whether it was hidden content or content that the browser lacked the privileges for viewing, for example. According to the Imperva researchers that discovered the vulnerability, it allowed an attacker to create a fake website and use it to point to files or directories on the victim's own PC using symlinks. As a result, the domain might access passwords for accessing cryptocurrency wallets, online services, and other types of credentials without the target being aware that something was wrong. The vulnerability, which is listed as CVE 2022-3656, was discovered in October of last year. It was dubbed SIM Stealer, and only recently, following the period of responsible disclosure, was it made public in full. Some of the most popular Chromium-based solutions on the market, such Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge, have already received updates that ought to have been automatically applied to all users. The primary target of the exploration should be cryptocurrency enthusiasts, who are the group that Imperva primarily calls to attention. The advice is to update the used browsers immediately if this procedure has not already done so. Although there have been no reports of attacks involving this flaw as of now, anything might change now that it has been public. In addition, extra caution should always be exercised when accessing websites or clicking on links related to cryptocurrency wallets, investors, and other services, particularly when those sites mention security or account recovery procedures. It is best to only use legitimate services directly for tasks and to avoid accessing websites that are sent to you via email, direct messages, or social media networks because they might be used as entry points for phishing attacks.